Hello everyone, welcome to the Career Path series by Uplatz. In this video, we will discuss about the career path of a technical lead. So what are the key qualities that differentiate an exceptional technical lead from a good one? And how can aspiring technical leads develop these qualities to truly excel in their roles? A study found that technical leads with strong mentoring skills not only improve team productivity but also significantly reduce turnover rates, with high performing teams being 50% more likely to stay together long term. This underscores the critical impact that a technical lead can have, not just on the code, but on the team's overall success and morale. So, without any further delay, let's begin the discussion. In this video, we will discuss about the introduction, roles and responsibilities of a technical lead, skills and qualifications required, and salaries of a technical lead, career growth and opportunities, conclusion, and call to action. Introduction to the technical leadership. The role of a technical lead is one of the most crucial positions in the tech industry. A technical lead combines deep technical expertise with leadership abilities to guide development teams, make key architectural decisions, and ensure the overall quality of the software or systems being built. With the increasing demand for skilled professionals in the technology sector, the technical lead position has become one of the most sought after roles in the software development. Overview of the field. A technical lead is a senior level engineer responsible for overseeing the technical aspects of software development within a team. Unlike a manager who may focus more on people management, a technical lead is typically the go to person for solving complex technical issues, designing systems, and ensuring that development is done efficiently and to high standards. They are the bridge between the developers and the product or project managers, ensuring the team's technical work aligns with business goals. Roles and responsibilities of a technical lead. The primary responsibilities of a technical lead include technical decision making, choosing the right technologies, tools, and methodologies for the project. Code quality, ensuring that code is written according to best practices and is maintainable, scalable, and efficient. Mentorship, providing guidance and mentorship to junior developers, helping them grow their skills. Project architecture, designing the overall architecture of the software or system, ensuring it meets both current and future needs. Collaboration, working closely with product managers, designers, and other stakeholders to ensure the technical solution aligns with business goals. Problem solving, identifying potential technical issues early and resolving them effectively. Code reviews, overseeing code reviews to ensure that all team members write high quality, well documented code. Team leadership, managing the technical aspects of the development team and ensuring they have the tools and resources they need. Leadership expectations. So, what is expected from a technical lead? Mentoring team members, stakeholder communication, decision making. What are the skills and qualifications required? There are good number of skills and qualifications required to become a technical lead. Becoming a technical lead requires a combination of technical expertise and soft skills. The key skills include advanced programming knowledge. It's a deep understanding of the programming languages such as Java, Python, C++, or JavaScript. System design, ability to design scalable, high performance systems and applications. Leadership and mentorship, skills to guide and mentor teams, fostering collaboration and growth. Problem solving and analytical skills, ability to solve complex technical challenges effectively and efficiently. Communication skills, excellent verbal and written communication to explain complex ideas clearly to both technical and non technical stakeholders. Project management, familiarity with Agile, Scrum, or other development methodologies, and managing timelines and deliverables. Software development lifecycle, knowledge of the full SDLC, including testing, deployment, and maintenance of software applications. Code review and quality assurance, expertise in assuring high standards of code quality, performance, and security. What are the salaries of a technical lead? The salaries for technical leads vary depending on the factors such as location, industry, and years of experience. In the United States, the salary range for the technical lead is typically between $100,000 to $160,000 annually, with senior or highly specialized leads earning upwards of $180,000 to $200,000. In Europe, the salaries in Western Europe typically range from 60,000 euros to 110,000 euros annually. So, education and qualifications and certifications for the technical lead. To become a technical lead, a solid educational background and relevant certifications are helpful. Educational background, a bachelor's degree in computer science, software engineering, or a related field is typically required. Many technical leads also have master's degree or equivalent higher education. Certifications, while not always mandatory, can enhance your credibility. Popular certifications can include Certified Solutions Architect, Professional Cloud Architect, Certified Scrum Master, and Agile Certified Practitioner. And Uplatz is providing the courses that are very well organized. So these are the education and certifications. The career growth and opportunities. So starting your journey to become a technical lead typically involves certain steps. Gain experience as a developer. Work as a software developer for several years, building strong technical skills and learning best practices. Develop expertise. Specialize in a particular technology or domain, like front end, back end, DevOps, etc., to become an expert in that area. Take on the leadership roles. Take opportunities to lead small projects or mentor junior developers, This helps develop leadership and management skills. Seek feedback and learn. Continuously improve by seeking feedback from peers, taking on new challenges, and learning from both success and failures. Build strong communication skills. A technical lead needs to be able to communicate technical concepts to non technical stakeholders. So, work on improving communication. So, talking about the career opportunities and growth, the role of a technical lead offers numerous opportunities for career growth. Senior technical lead or principal engineer with more experience, you can take on higher level technical roles with broader responsibilities. Engineering manager or director, transition into management where you would oversee entire team or departments. Chief technology officer, in the long term, some technical leads move into C-suite roles where they guide the overall technology strategy of a company. Consulting or entrepreneurship, with your expertise and experience, you may choose to start your own business or work as an independent consultant, offering your expertise to multiple companies. And there are many future opportunities in the emerging technologies, leadership roles, and industry innovations. Conclusion and call to action. Becoming a technical lead is a rewarding career path that blends deep technical knowledge with leadership and strategic thinking. It requires years of experience and the ability to guide and mentor teams while making critical technical decisions. The role offers substantial growth opportunities and the chance to impact the direction of the projects. So, finally, call to action. If you are passionate about technology and leading the teams, start focusing on sharpening your technical skills, communication abilities, and leadership qualities. Seek out opportunities to take on leadership roles and mentor others. The path to becoming a technical lead is challenging but immensely rewarding. Thank you.